Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to be making a school scenery with a tricolor flag. So here we are going to make some pots with flowers and plants, the school, a path, some bushes, the tricolor flag and the sun. Okay, so on both sides we are making like 2 pots each, and in this pot there can be any flower or any plant. It can be like a palm tree or like tulips or roses or If you're enjoying the drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And now we are going to move on to the coloring part. So here you can use any medium you are comfortable with, and I am using oil pastels and markers. Okay, so here I'm using camel oil pastels 50 shades. And our drawing is done. Thanks for watching and bye.